Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 10 has latest updates and a fresh restart. This clears background throttles. Next, inspect the modem and router. Tighten cables and power cycle both for 30 seconds to reset connections. Once done, use settings network and internet status and run the built-in troubleshooter. It finds driver and DNS issues quickly. These first checks catch the most common slowdowns, so act now before changing adapter or registry settings. Now you focus on the adapter and DNS because they control packet routing and latency. Open Device Manager, update or reinstall your network adapter driver. A clean driver often restores throughput. Then change IP4 DNS servers to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 for faster name resolution and lower lookup times. Finally, in adapter properties, disable large send offload and any power-saving features. These can fragment. Finish by cutting background noise. Disable high bandwidth startup apps in Task Manager and limit background data in settings so your foreground tasks get priority. Then run command line fixes. Use netint IP reset and ipconfig/flushtons to restore TCP/IP defaults and clear stale DNS entries. If speeds still lag, boot into safe mode with networking to isolate third-party software or antivirus interference. If performance improves there, remove recently installed apps. One key troubleshooting tip: test with another device on the same network to rule out ISP issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.